Hi guys, my name is Shivam Jain, and today we will discuss about how to open the browser in Selenium and how to perform some operations on any browser. So let's start with basics like how to open the browser for the same. So I will first of all I will create a class for the same, like we can say I will put the class name as open browser. Uh, we will extract the main method here. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to set the property to open the browser. So we will use the system class and set property method we will use. So which method we need to use, so we can use these methods because we have to pass the key and value here. So in key we will pass the web driver dot chrome dot driver driver. We will close this in double quote, and in value we will pass the location of Chrome driver because for run the for open any URL in browser we need to give Java like the Chrome driver locations. So I have put the Chrome driver software here. So what I will give the path of this location to the Java Eclipse. And again we will give Chrome driver.exe. We have closed this in double quotes. Now what we'll do, like we have to open the browser, so we have to create the reference value of Chrome driver. So I will put 3 lines of code from here, and yep. So what happened, like you have to use the reference value of ChromeOptions class, which you have to import the package, and then you have to open the Chrome driver. Now we have set the Chrome driver, and we have created the reference variable. Now we can perform some operation with this reference variable. Like if we want to open the browser, we can use driver.get method, and we can give any URL which we want to open. Like suppose if we talk about we want to open Infosys website, Infosys, so we can give Infosys URL here, and we can use close method after like open the browser, so that we can use close method so that we don't want many browsers to be opened. So let's see like what happens if we are able to open the browser. So we can say Chrome driver was successfully started. So yep, it's open the browser, and we have to see, so it's closed because we have used the close command here. Now what other operation we can perform? If I talk about, we can perform, so I will use different site to perform some operations. So we will use Google here. Let's see what operation we can perform here. So first of all I will give the URL of Google here, and I will let you know guys like how to perform some operation, like how to send some key, so and how to perform other operations. So if I talk about, if we want to fetch the uh, title of the page, so driver.get title method we can use, and we can use system.println if we want to print the browser URL. So let's see if we are able to see the browser title name of the page. We will run ChromeDriver success started. So yeah, we are not able to see the browser. We can see like Google here. So now again we can see we will run properly. I think it's some mistake here. Google. So it printed Google. So it's working fine. Now what other operations we can perform? Suppose that if we want to type something here and we want to make it automated. So suppose like we want to hear a Java. What we can do, we will right click here, we will inspect that element. So we can say like some some elements are there. So we will fetch the id here because id is the one methods we can use with find element. So we will cut that id and we will paste here. We will use driver dot find element by dot id, and we will use send keys method to send some value in that field. Send keys. Suppose we want to send Java. So let's see if we will comment this one because we want able to know that if we are able to enter Java in that. So let's see then. Yeah. So we are able to see like we are able to enter Java in search keyword, and next few things we will perform on the same. So suppose like if we want to automate that process, like when we enter Java and we put what suggestions we have, we can see like few suggestions we have from the Google. So if we want to print all the suggestions after we enter the Java keyword here, so how to automate that? We want to print all these suggestions. So how to print this thing? So we will navigate to any searchable item and we will just view, click on view page source. Sorry, we will click on inspect element actually. View page source. I'm not sure why it's not displaying. Inspect option, yeah. So we have to search for so when we see like here we select class name is showing only first option. We have to select all the options here. What we have to find that way. We can see like every option we select and we have the same class SBCT here, and role is presentation. So we can use like with the roles we can use. So let's suppose we see xpath here. So double slash li at the rate role equal to presentation. We can see by the 12 suggestions here, 1 2 3 4. So we will use the xpath here and we will put here. First of all, we will see some gap, rate of sleep 3000, so that it may get some time to read. We will import the throw declaration. Driver dot find elements we will use because it will return multiple data by dot xpath, and we will all suggest all Java items. We will create the list item here. What we have to do, we have to use the for each loop here, like all items variable from which item we have to extract here, like all Java items. We will have to create the web element here, and we'll have all items dot get text. So what will happen, it will print all the items. So let's see what happens. We will disable this one get title because we have already done these features. So let's see what happens. So we can say like it's, let's see, we are able to see all these suggestions. Java tutorial is the last suggestion. So we can see like we have printed all the suggestions here. So yes, we will move ahead with new videos for the same as well as. Thank you so much guys for the view. Please like and subscribe.